Hello and welcome. I bought a bunch of bike parts in a lot recently, and this was amongst the pile. I've already done a video on the M760, the inverted shifter. This is the regular XT version, the M750. As you can see, it's completely battered and torn. It's really bad condition. The spring is not returning properly. So I want to give this a clean. Maybe I can save this and reuse it on something else. So let's get started. So first thing I'm going to do is remove the obvious bolts, remove the jockey wheels. Take off one of the tension screw that's here. Take off the clip that's there. We're going to take off that anchor bolt. This needs a complete clean. We're going to take off the small bolt that's inside here. Oop. Okay, got it out. Is it bent? Is the pivot bolt possibly bent? Remove this bolt as well. Piece of plastic. If you look closely, put something straight against the part that looks bent, you can see there's clearly a gap. It's not running along the Allen key here. So I'm going to need to try and bend this part slightly towards the left. I think here there's been a slight impact. Right, so plenty of parts to put back together again. I'm going to add grease where appropriate. We're going to see if, putting this bend that was in the cage, if that's going to effectively realign the derailleur so that it works. It was so dirty inside here that I had to remove I unclipped the spring that was inside to get a better clean. It probably needs more cleaning, but this will do for this video. So first thing I'm going to do is put a bit of grease on the pivot parts, and also put a little bit around the seals. So first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to put the seals back on into their place, pop them in. Okay, that's on. So now I'm going to put the spring into the main body. There's two sides, one that's slightly smaller and this one's the larger one. The larger one's going to go into the actual body of the derailleur itself, into the hole at the back, and then the other end is going to go into one of the two holes that are here at the back. I'm going to put it on, I think I'll put one on the back to give it extra tension. So let's see if this is going to work for one. Okay, it seems like it looks like it's working. It's got lots of tension. So now I'm going to move on to putting in that small bolt that fits through. Okay, that's way better than before. Now it's the. I'm gonna go ahead now and start putting the bolt at the back here for the cable, the ankle bolt, mainly because I've already taken off the spring and I'm going to put it back in after. And this is quite annoying when the spring's in the way. And I finally got that back in. Pivot bolt, push in, there we go, it goes through. Right, now we're going to put that clip behind the pivot bolt, so you're going to need something to tension that part so it can go in. Let's see if I can get away with doing this. might be able to do it just like that. Let's see if that works. Push down. Okay, that worked for me first time, great. Okay, that looks good to me. We've got the screws to put back in here, and we've got to put that, I've got to put the spring back onto that latch. Probably going to be quite hard. No, it's not that hard. Okay, great. So that's back on now as well. Let's put the jockey wheels, get them ready. So first jockey wheel, the part that should not be the G pulley, we're going to screw that on slightly first. Okay, that's screwing on now normally. Line that up, pop it in. Prepare the barrel adjuster. Put a tiny bit of grease on the end of that. Okay, that's on. Screw it down. Looks good to me. So putting on the limit screws down. And the last one. The derailleur is not looking pretty, but still usable now that the spring has been well fixed. So I hope this helps you also to repair your XT M750 Derailleur. Until next time, peace out.